Hi, are you ready to try things out? Today we want to try thing number 87 and share our experience with you. From early age, I love solving puzzles. We are doing it together as a family, and I cannot say we are masters in it, but we are doing quite well. Luckily, I'm in Ukraine now, where is my biggest collection of puzzle is. With this video, I want to share with you two things. One is how to put them together. Next, what actually you can do with puzzles. Solving puzzle can be a very fun activity for you to do. So it can work for you both in ups and downs. I remember when I broke up, that time there was a national holiday and I didn't feel good. So that time I decided why not to have this healing process of putting puzzles together, not overthinking, just being in the present moment. It worked for me very well. My family loves, this family time, puzzle time. So I bought actually this puzzle. It's quite cheap and it doesn't have a picture, but it worked very well for us. We put music, we put lights, we gathered together. We didn't finish it yet. I actually wanted to finish it through this recording of this video, but it's definitely fun activity to do together. So let's begin. How to make experience easy. First, consider puzzles that are less than 1,000, even less than 100. That will be a good thing. Second, take a right picture. What does it mean? It should be having not that many details. It should be colorful. It should have big puzzles inside, like here. And it will be very good if you can cross-check this part, that even though it's quite challenging puzzle, but the part that it makes it easier is a part that in the back here you will have letters. This is G, this is F. Then you will know where to put them. Organize your space. First, consider putting something like a paper, board that you can move. So if it takes too long for you to make it, you can anytime move from your, for example, room to another room. Second is about light. So if you consider taking a puzzle, during maybe this one, it won't make that much sense. But here, you would want to pay attention to details. Daylight will help you to identify the color patterns better. Categories will work also good. Once I'm starting, let's say, this puzzle, I will categorize different pieces for the shapes. The parts of borders, corners will go in one side. Anything else will go to another side. And colors. This bright part will go to one place. Here, next, next, next. Start from the ones that you have listed and they are most unique. Consider getting support. Any company will be very good to have. You will enjoy challenging time together and just be patient. But how to make it more challenging? As I told, consider pictures that has more than 1,000 pieces, 2,000, 5,000, and so on. Pick a picture that has the quite similar colors, like here you would have red, white, and gray predominantly. And don't use the picture for referral. Same boxes, same amount of pieces, 1,000, 1,000. But here I can see where is my bottle, in which corner. Here I cannot see because my puzzle is here. Even if I have a piece, I won't be able to see. So even though you have, let's say, cover like this, just don't use it. So to sum up, I will show you again two similar puzzles, 1,000. Which one do you think is harder to do? This one, right? Why? Here we have more heroes, it's easier. Here we have similar colors, it's harder. So this is exactly what I was talking about. This thing can move. And then I would separate into categories. I actually finished all of this. Before, this category was here, this category was here. And as you see, borders is very easy to do, so I finished that. And here you will see I actually cheated because it's quite hard to picture and it's all blue. So I put category C here together, put A here together. So that's how it goes.
We finally finished together with all family. Ah, so happy.
Also, I want you to think about puzzle not only a relaxing activity for you, but also for others. So it can be a quite good gift for your friend. But before giving that, think about that friend. Does he or she like it? I had personally two cases. Failed one, a successful one. In the first case, I gave her a picture, a favorite place to my friend, but because he's not that kind of person that likes puzzles, so I was really, trying to encourage and convince, and I asked him yesterday, how's it going? And he told, no, I didn't start. In another case, I presented actually this thing to my father as a birthday gift, and they enjoyed the time as a family putting it together. It was really good present. So it depends on the person, but in general, it can be quite a good gift. Please share your stories on solving puzzles with the hashtag Things with Trying, and comment below what are your tips in solving puzzles.